Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we dig into the details to help you make informed choices. Today, we're taking a closer look at the WHALL Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. This little powerhouse is designed for both wet and dry cleaning, making it a versatile option for your car, home, or office. With features like adjustable suction levels, a cordless design, and even an LED light to help you spot dust in dark corners, it promises to make cleaning more efficient. But does it deliver? Let's find out. The WHALL Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner stands out with its lightweight, portable design, making it easy to carry around and handle for quick cleaning sessions. It's particularly useful for cleaning small spaces like cars or tight areas in your home or office. This vacuum comes with two key accessories: a retractable crevice tool for hard-to-reach corners, and a brush for flat surfaces like drawers and sofas. These attachments help speed up the cleaning process, making it more efficient depending on what kind of mess you're tackling. One of the most notable features of this vacuum is its dual suction modes. With high and low settings, you can adjust the suction power to match your needs. The high mode provides a strong, deep clean, while the low mode is energy efficient, offering a longer runtime. On high, you can get about 13 minutes of cleaning time, while the low mode extends that to 20 minutes, so you've got plenty of flexibility based on your cleaning task. Whether you're trying to clean up fine dust or dealing with larger debris, these two settings provide the right balance of power and runtime. What makes this vacuum even more practical is its ability to handle both dry and wet messes. The wet-dry functionality is perfect for small liquid spills or damp areas. While it's not designed to handle large amounts of liquid, only up to 100 milliliters, it's a nice feature if you spill a drink or need to quickly clean up something wet. The vacuum does come with a warning to avoid tilting it with the suction inlet facing upwards, but as long as you stick to the guidelines, it's a useful addition to its versatility. Another thoughtful touch is the built-in LED light. It helps you spot dust in dark or hidden corners, ensuring you don't miss any spots during your cleaning session. This feature really comes in handy if you're cleaning under furniture, in tight spaces, or inside your car where lighting isn't always ideal. When it comes to usability, this vacuum is designed to be as convenient as possible. It's cordless, so you're not restricted by a power cord, allowing you to move around freely while cleaning. Its lightweight build makes it easy to handle for extended periods without causing strain, which is ideal if you plan to use it for cleaning multiple areas in one go. Now, let's talk about performance. This vacuum does a good job of tackling dry debris on a variety of surfaces, from carpets to hard floors. The suction power is adequate for light cleaning tasks, but it might not be as effective on thick carpets or heavier dirt. For wet messes, it performs well within its limits, cleaning up small spills without issue. However, you'll want to avoid using it for larger liquid cleanups, as it's not designed for that type of task. One of the standout pros is the ease of use. From the lightweight design to the simple controls, this vacuum is built for hassle-free operation. The accessories are easy to attach and detach, and the cleaning process is quick and straightforward. Plus, the fact that it's cordless adds a level of convenience that makes cleaning feel less of a chore. On the flip side, there are a few limitations. While the suction power is solid for most tasks, it may struggle a bit with deep cleaning on thicker carpets or with larger debris. The battery life, although decent, may not last long enough for extended cleaning sessions on the high power mode. But the low power mode does offer a nice balance, extending the runtime for lighter tasks. Another small downside is the 100 milliliter liquid capacity, which limits its use for wet cleaning. It's fine for a quick spill, but it's not a vacuum you can rely on for larger messes. When you compare the WHALL vacuum to other handheld vacuums in the same category, it holds its ground, especially with its wet-dry capabilities and adjustable suction. You might find a vacuum with slightly more suction power for deep carpets, but this model shines in terms of portability and versatility. The LED light and the crevice tool are also unique touches that set it apart from the competition. In terms of value for money, the WHALL Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner offers a solid performance for the price. It's not the most powerful vacuum out there, but for smaller jobs around the home, car, or office, it does the job efficiently. The 2-speed settings, wet-dry capability, and accessories make it a versatile and practical choice, especially if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to maneuver. The build quality feels sturdy for a handheld vacuum, with robust plastic parts that hold up well during regular use. Maintenance is fairly simple, with an easy-to-empty dustbin and washable filters that don't require frequent replacement. It's also easy to clean the brush roll and crevice tool, ensuring that you can keep it in good working condition with minimal effort. If you've interacted with WHALL's customer support, you'll find they're responsive and ready to assist with any technical questions or usage inquiries. The vacuum comes with clear instructions, and the brand offers support if you need it, which is always reassuring. In terms of longevity, while we don't have specific long-term data yet, the vacuum's design and build quality suggest it should last for a decent amount of time with proper maintenance. Its simple mechanics and easy-to-clean components mean that it's less likely to face major wear and tear issues over time. So, who is the WHALL Cordless Handheld Vacuum best suited for? If you're looking for a lightweight, portable vacuum that can tackle small, dry, and wet messes around your home, car, or office, this vacuum is a great option. It's ideal for quick cleanups, handling pet hair, crumbs, and other small debris. However, if you need a vacuum for heavy-duty cleaning on thick carpets or large-scale wet messes, you might want to explore other options. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We've got more in-depth reviews coming your way, and we'd love to have you along for the ride. If you've already used the WHALL vacuum, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Till next time, keep your spaces clean and your vacuums working hard.